Hi everyone, I'm Zara. Welcome to my channel, to Infinity and Beyond. Hope you're good. Just noticed my hair is really messy. It's a bit better. Anyway, today I'm going to be doing this bouncy ball DIY. I got it in Tiger, or Flying Tiger it can be called as well. I think it was about £3 maybe. It's only one ball, so I don't know how long it's going to take. But when I was younger, I used to collect bouncy balls, so I thought it was really cool and I would try it. So I'm going to open it up. And it says the instructions are on the inside. I'm just going to rip it open. Oh, this must be them. You get these sachets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't really like that colour. I really love the yellow though. It's nice and vibrant. Oh no. And then you get this, which I'm guessing is what we're gonna put the stuff in to like make the ball or whatever. Okay. So what do the instructions say? Where is the English?
A few moments later.
So you basically put the thing together, cut the sachet, pour it on, hit it on the surface, fill a cup with water, put this in the water and wait 3 minutes. Oh no, 2 minutes, then wait 3 minutes. Oh, I guess this really is a 5-minute craft. Alright then. Well, let me go and get a cup of water. Got my what is this called? I don't even know. The bouncy ball maker container. Bit of a mouthful. So I'm going to put that together. Clip it in place. Cool. And then, will it stand up? Stand up. Okay, I'm going to just lean it. Right. So we have to fill it up with these sachets. I wonder what colour I should do first. Okay, I'm gonna go dark red, pink, yellow, pink again, and then the dark one. Right. Okay. Where are my scissors? Here they are. Cool. Pull that in. And if you can see in there, a bit dark. Okay, so that's the first colour. And then next we're going to do the pink, or the pink. I'm using 2 cameras because I want you to be able to see my face and also what I'm doing. So next pinky one. Whoa. Oh, maybe I should have layered them a bit more. Oh well. Then I'm going to do yellow. Actually, let me do like a bit of yellow. And then I'm going to do, oh look, now it's standing up. And then I'm going to do a bit of pink. Like so. And then I'm going to do the rest of the yellow. Cool, and then I'm gonna do pink. Pink, yellow, pink, yellow, pink, yellow. Oh, it's full. What? Oh, maybe not. Little tap tap Although it is nearly full up. This is weird. Is it coming out? Whoa. Almost full. It's got little holes. Look at my thumb now. Don't know if you can see those holes. It's coming out the holes a little bit, but not that much. Okay, and then I'm just gonna fill it up with please stand up. The rest of this one, as this was like my least favorite color. Oh, it's all coming out the bottom. Okay, so how long do we leave it? 2 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna dunk it in the water. It's just floating. Do we cover that up? Oh yeah, we do. Okay, then. Whoa, look at the air bubbles. I need a timer. So it's 1:34, so it'll be done at 1:36. Q, see you in 2. So it's been 2 minutes. I'm gonna take it out. Take the excess water out. And now we have to wait 3 minutes. So again, I'll see you in 3 minutes. Cool, so it's been the extra 3 minutes since I took out the water. Oh, it's already coming out the mold. Oh boy. Can you see that? It's already coming out. I wonder how hard this is to get off. Whoa. That looks so cool. I'm really surprised. It's sticky. It's a bit of a shame. There's like a line down here. You can see that there. Trying to take this other side off. I'm scared I'm gonna break it in half, even though I literally have no strength. Whoa. I'm actually really impressed with this. It is still like, it's sticky. That looks awesome. So they weren't lying when they said like make your own planet. I threw the instructions in the bin and now I can't remember if you have to leave it again. So I'm gonna just leave it for a little bit on the side. Actually, should we see if it bounces? Oh my gosh. Okay, it does a bit, but I'm scared I'm gonna misshape it and it's still really sticky. So I'm just gonna leave it for a little bit, like half an hour, and then I'll come back and we'll do like a bouncy ball test. So I'm in my living room to test the Galaxy bouncy ball. Still can't believe how awesome it looks. So I'm just gonna do like a couple of bounce tests in here. Whoa! So it bounces okay, it's not the best. Maybe I need to put some more force on it. Actually, you know what? That's actually pretty good. Plus it's quite a, you can see it's quite a large one as well. So I'm quite happy with that. I think I only paid like £2 or £3. Whoa. What do you think? Is this bounce good enough? Whoa, where's it going? Ah! So as you just saw, I tested the bouncy ball. I thought it was really good. This was only about £2 or £3 for me, I think. You can't buy the one that I bought online because in the UK you can only go to Tiger, like the actual shop or store, and buy it from there. So I will put some links in the description because I found some similar products on Amazon. This was pretty cool to do. So if you like bouncy balls and you just want a quick activity to do, then I would say go for it. But if you're not that bothered, then probably don't waste your money. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please leave a like. And if you want to see more, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!